In the United States, Wall Street is hitting new highs, fueled by a weaker dollar, eased bank rules, and booming AI stocks. But beneath the surface, the economy is losing steam. Durable goods orders surged in May, but exports fell. Personal income and spending dipped, and inflation? Still ticking up. GDP growth in the first half of 2025 was just 0.8% annualized, down from 2.5% last year. Why? Front-loaded demand. Ahead of Trump's Liberation Day tariffs, 10% on most imports, with 50% hikes on steel, aluminum, and appliances. These 90-day pauses expire July 8th and 9th. Markets are watching closely. The forecast? Slowing further, 1.5% growth in 2025, 1.3% in 2026. Higher tariffs could raise inflation, pressure profits, and cool both jobs and consumer spending. The Fed is likely to turn dovish if inflation keeps easing, but risks remain: tariffs, labor softness, and tighter wallets. Eurozone. Across the Atlantic, growth continues. Q1 GDP rose about 0.3 to 0.4%, powered by lower inflation, easier credit, and fiscal boosts, especially in Germany. The ECB sees modest growth, 0.9% this year, climbing to 1.1% in 2026. Inflation may dip below target, then rebound. The outlook? Steady but fragile, hinging on trade stability and euro strength. In the United Kingdom, the pound is strong, but growth is weak. GDP shrank 0.3% in Q2, with services slipping below 50. Inflation eased to 3.4%, and the Bank of England held rates steady at 4.25%, signaling possible cuts. Yet Brexit frictions and Trump tariffs continue to drag on momentum. China's economy is holding steady. Q1 GDP expanded 5.4% year-on-year, helped by a rare earth export deal with the US and targeted stimulus. Still, consumer demand is soft, the property sector remains shaky, and global trade pressures linger. Markets dipped as industrial profits slowed, but growth forecasts remain solid, 4.2% to 4.7%. Globally, GDP growth is slowing, 2.9% in both 2025 and 2026, down from 3.3% in 2024. The major drag? Trade policy, led by US tariffs and potential retaliation. Central banks are easing, but cautiously. Inflation still looms. What to watch? July to Q4 2025. In the US, tariff deadlines, inflation data, and Fed rate decisions. In Europe, PMIs, ECB outlook, and currency moves. In the UK, policy signals and Brexit-related risks. In China, property trends, stimulus impact, and trade implementation. As we enter late 2025, global growth is cooling, and policy uncertainty is the name of the game. Nations are adjusting through rate cuts and spending, but structural hurdles remain. Stay alert, stay adaptive.